until now, you have to be a technical type to understand how to use AI. It just wasn't user-friendly. ChatGPT created the ability to speak with it like you would a friend, and just speak conversationally with it and get things back, and that's what changed. And that's why I think so many people are going, oh my God, I don't have to go on a really long course, or I don't have to learn a new skill set to be able to use all these tools, which we've never really had before. There's usually a much steeper learning curve to pick these things up. We're all becoming developers now. It's going to create this world of people personalizing and customizing their own businesses in a way that they couldn't do before. How thrilling is that?
It's insane. And we were leading a training yesterday at our company, HatchWorks. And it was that same kind of thing, because so many people, they get stuck in ChatGPT of, okay, I got it to write an email for me, or I got it to write a social post. And then that's kind of the extent there. It's, that was cool. But what we were going through was actually having it create code. We even got to the point where we were having it act as a data scientist, doing a technique called k-means clustering. And it was insane. Like, this stuff used to take weeks, months to develop. In literally matter of seconds, it's spitting out the analysis. And the craziest part to me is how early on we are in this journey.